Hi everyone. Today's Thursday, December 29th. I'm Ian Riddell with Solitude Ski Patrol. This is Solitude Chatter. All right, current conditions currently today. We've received some snow overnight. We've been doing some avalanche work this morning. We managed to get the Honeycomb Canyon open on the west face gates from Summit, Powderhorn, and also off the top of the Honeycomb return chair. So that's the Buckeye, Powderhorn, and Navarone gates are all open today. We have received quite a good storm here in the last 2 or 3 days. We've picked up 33 inches of snow. That gives us 35 inches of snow for this last week. And that also pushed us over the 200-inch mark for the season. We're currently at 218 inches year to date. So we're doing quite well. Moving forward, we have some more storms that are going to impact us. They're putting out, the Weather Service is putting out possibly 2 to 3.5 feet of snow. That's from tomorrow morning through January 2nd. So we'll see what happens with that. How is that going to affect our terrain? You might be asking yourself. Well, we're going to have some avalanche closed terrain with all that snow until we can get our teams in there and do the avalanche work and get that open up. So you can anticipate closures in the Honeycomb Canyon, Evergreen Peak, Solbright, Highway to Heaven. But we will be working in that area, trying to get that terrain open. We feel pretty confident in areas that we will be able to get open. Hopefully it'll be the milk run. That's how it worked out during this last storm. We were able to manage that terrain, as well as all the terrain off the front side of the mountain. So off the Powderhorn Chair and Eagle Express, Sunrise, Apex, Moonbeam, and Link. We don't anticipate any delays on those chairs, but we probably will have a slight delay up at the summit, in the summit area, on the summit lift, to get that terrain open to the public. So anyways, that's what it looks like. Just been incredible weather with great storms. We've got more on the way. And just wanted to mention something too, a little safety note here. Remember, when you're skiing off piste, if you're going to go ski in the trees, with all the snow that's coming, you should be asking yourself, am I prepared to be in all the snow by myself? What we would like to see is you pair up with a buddy, get a partner, get a friend, and when you're getting off the main groomed trails, ski with a friend. That way you can be accountable for each other. You'll know if you're both together, if somebody gets injured, you can report it to Ski Patrol as soon as it happens. So that's all I have. Enjoy your powder days that are about to happen, and I look forward to seeing you on the mountain.